Hey there, everybody. So I've been working on my 1977 Star Wars Topps PSA registered set, and I sent out a lot of 11 cards to be graded, and just got them back, as you can see here. It's an unopened box, so we are going to unbox these, and we're going to see what the grades. Now, I have not looked at the grades on the PSA website, even though I could have, because I wanted to be surprised along with all of you. And admittedly, it probably will not be a good surprise, but you never know. I purchased a set of the red, which is Series 2, I believe, cards. And so these are all the red ones. So here's all 11 of the cards, and so we're gonna take these out and we're gonna go through them and we're gonna see what the grades are. So here's the stack of cards, and this was the submission ticket. It's upside down, but you get the drift. So, okay, so there's 11 cards here, and we're going to go and see what kind of grades I get. Hopefully, I'm expecting them to be kind of middle grades, 5s, 6s, and 7s mostly, because, I mean, let's be honest, cards from 77 are not going to be in the best condition. So that's kind of what I am thinking. So let's go and start to go through these cards. Okay, the first one is card number 104, which is Luke's uncle and aunt, and it received a PSA grade of 7, which that's not bad. That's a pretty good grade. That card is in pretty nice shape, so that is a good grade. I'll take that. The next one is a card number 125, which is Luke in disguise, and that one received a grade of 8. So that's a better grade. So I'm super happy. I don't know if all the cards are going to get 7s and 8s, but that is definitely a decent start for cards that are, like, 45 years old or however old they are. Okay, the next card is a Quizzical 3PO, card number 126, and this one received a PSA grade of 8, but it does have an OC qualifier, which means off center. So the card is kind of cut a little bit off center, which I guess you can see that the top border here, it's thinner up here and thicker down here, and also kind of like left to right. The border over here is a little bit smaller than the border over here. So that's why cards would typically get that OC qualifier. And when you look at the back, it's not quite as pronounced when you look at the back, like on the left and right side, but on the back you can definitely see that, on the top border here is a little bit smaller than the bottom border. So that is kind of to be expected. So, but that's still not bad. Okay, the next card is 3PO Ben and Luke, card number 119. This one also is a grade of 8 with an OC qualifier. Well, you can't tell anything from the back on this one because it's a photo mosaic on the back. But again, you can see that the top and bottom here are definitely not even. So, because I'm not trying to sell these cards. I'm just putting these into my my set collection. I'm not super disappointed about that, but that's not bad. But hopefully the rest of them will not have qualifiers, because I don't like to see qualifiers. Okay, the next card is a message from Princess Leia. Now this one is card number 106, and it received a PSA grade of 9, but again with that OC qualifier. So it's a really, really nice card. Like, the corners are nice. And I guess I'm a little disappointed that it pulled the OC qualifier. Again, you can see the top and the bottom are not quite even. Left and right look good, but the top and bottom must have been just enough to kind of add that OC qualifier to the card. So that's a little disappointing. Okay, now this one, the next one is C3PO, and this one received a grade of, it's card number 98, and received a grade of PSA 7. So no qualifiers, but that's a decent grade. So not too bad. So far, nothing below a 7. Although technically an 8 with a qualifier does like rank as a PSA 6 grade, but still nothing numerically graded less than 7 yet. So that's a good sign. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why my camera keeps pulling over to the side there. Move my cards over a little bit. My lighting is horrible in here. Okay, so we have card number 101, the Wookiee Chewbacca. This one received a PSA 8 grade on it, so that's a good grade. We will definitely take that. I'm liking that one. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set these cards on some bubble to kind of like angle them so that the light, which is directly overhead, does not shine right on them. So that's kind of annoying. And this camera is super annoying. Okay. Come on, over this way. Let's go this way. Come on. Very annoying. So here's the next one. This one's 3PO's Desert Trek. This one pulled a card number 69, pulled a grade of 6.5, which is not horrible. So let me try to adjust this camera. Hang on just a moment. Okay. I gotta work on my camera. Here, okay, so here's the next card. So this is Waiting in the Control Room, card number 77. And this is a PSA 5, so that's a little disappointing because like I picked out the cards that I thought were in the best condition. And so I'm not sure why this one would have received a 5. But it is what it is, so there's that. Okay, then we've got Preparing to Board Solo's Spaceship, card number 79. This is a PSA 7, which is not horrible. Okay, so there are 2 cards left. So this is The Imprisoned Princess Leia, card number 89. The grade is a 6. So, I mean, there's a little bit of wear kind of on the bottom edge of this one here. So that's probably partly why the grade is a little bit lower on this one than on some of the other ones. Okay, and the last card of the 11 is Advance of the Tusken Raider. And this one is card number 92 and received a grade of 7. So there were 3 cards that were less than a 7. There were 4 cards that received a 7. There were 4 cards that received an 8 and 1 that received a 9. And there were some qualifiers, and that's, again, that's kind of to be expected just because of the age of these cards, and the cutting probably was not the best on these back in 1977. So that is the end of the PSA unboxing for tonight. I will try to get this camera situation a little bit more stable for the next time. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.